There comes a time in everyone's life when the world feels heavy, when dreams start to fade, and the voices of doubt grow louder than the sound of hope. You look around and wonder, why is life so hard? Why does success seem so far away? But in that very moment, when the darkness surrounds you, you have a choice. You can either surrender to the pain or stand tall and say, I will never give up. You see, giving up is easy. Anyone can quit. But the ones who refuse to stop, those are the ones who change everything. Every legend you admire, every champion you respect, every hero you dream to be, they all had moments when they almost gave up, but they didn't. They held on when others let go. They believed when others doubted. They kept moving forward, even with tears in their eyes and fear in their hearts. That's what makes them unstoppable. Maybe right now, you're tired of trying. Maybe you failed too many times. Maybe you've been rejected, ignored, or forgotten. But let me tell you something. Failure is not the end. It's the beginning of your real story. Because every failure carries a lesson, and every lesson brings you one step closer to greatness. The pain you feel today is not here to break you. It's here to shape you, to build your strength, to test your patience, to prepare you for everything you've been praying for. When life knocks you down, get up. When the world doubts you, prove them wrong. When your mind whispers, you can't, shout back, I can. Because the truth is this, you are stronger than your pain, greater than your fear, and braver than you believe. Don't stop now. Don't give in to weakness. Every time you rise after falling, you become more dangerous, more focused, more unshakable. The people who win are not the ones who never fall. They're the ones who never stay down. Every storm ends. Every night turns to morning. And every wound, yes, every single wound will one day heal. So when you feel like quitting, remember why you started. Remember the fire that burns inside your chest. Remember the dream that made you lose sleep. You may be tired, you may be broken, you may be walking through hell right now. But as long as your heart still beats, you have another chance to rise. So lift your head, wipe your tears, and tell the world with power in your voice, I will never give up. Not today, not tomorrow, never.